Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's project is going to be the ignition coil packs. Been having some issues with the car, so I thought we'll start with that and see how we get on. I don't know if you can hear, but with the misfire you can actually hear clicking from one of these two boxes. I'm going to say the back one. So that's telling me that one of my coil packs has gone out. So let's swap it out and see if it fixes it. The ignition coil packs are here. You have two of them. So the first thing we want to do is disconnect all the leads. Remembering which order they go. We can disconnect the back clips as well. They do have a little release on the bottom of them. It's easy to get a screwdriver in. At this point, you can access the 4 bolts on each one. So you want to loosen them off with an Allen key. That's one coil pack off. Now we'll do the same to the next one. And there's your second. So it turns out only one of the coil packs turned up, but I think it was only one of the coil packs that had gone anyway. So we're going to carry on putting this in, put the other old one back in, and see how we're going. Once that's tight, you put the leads back in, making sure to put them in the right place. Once all that's done, we're good to go. So we're going to give it a test now, see what happens. So we're no longer getting the misfire, we're no longer getting the lights flashing, and you can't hear it ticking. So with that one, we fixed it.